Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking the famous Mongolian beef. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have scallions, ginger, cornstarch, garlic, chili flakes, egg white. We have beef tenderloin here, which we sliced already in thin slices like this, like 1/8 of an inch thick. You can also use sirloin, any beef that it's kind of a soft cut, so that will do it. And we have also white Chinese wine. We have olive oil, salt and pepper. We got the oyster sauce here, little sugar, and that's it. So what we're gonna do this time, and also we have olive oil. We're gonna do is we're gonna marinate the beef with salt and pepper and cornstarch and egg white. Then we're gonna marinate it for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna fry it for 2 minutes, and then we'll do the sauce and we'll continue the process. So let's get started. Now let's put salt and pepper. Okay, just dust of pepper and put salt. All right. All right. Then we're gonna put three teaspoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch will help covering the meat, so the juice of the meat will stay inside. And then we'll put a little of white wine, Chinese white wine. Okay. All right. And then we will put the egg white, just the egg white. There you go, just the egg white. This will cover the meat when we fry it. Okay. Here you go, another egg white. There you go. And then we're gonna mix this so the ingredients will mix together. So we're gonna use our hands. Our hands are clean. So mix it. Make sure that everything is mixed together. All the ingredients, the cornstarch and everything. And then we're gonna marinate this for 30 minutes or so before we fry it. Now we'll make the sauce. We need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and a spoon of sugar. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a little bit of water, then we'll add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and then we'll mix this real good. So we're gonna use this sauce when we cook the meat. The meat is almost done marinating it, so we will fry that for 2 minutes. All right, this is ready. In a hot pan here, we are frying the meat. It will only take 2 minutes to fry this, and then we will set this aside. There are 2 ways of doing this beef. The other process is to blanch it with boiling water for 2 minutes instead of frying it. So this time I chose to fry it, and next time I'll just blanch it. Now we'll continue the cooking process. So we'll put our ginger in. Okay? And then we'll put our garlic. Cook this for a minute. All right. Now we'll put our scallion, the white portion of scallion first. And then we're gonna use the green part of the scallion later. Give it a good stir and cook this for another minute. And then this is the time to put our sauce until it thickens. We're gonna stir this until it thickens. All right. The sauce is thicken up. Now we're gonna pour in our meat. All right. All right. Oh wow, looks good. And then we're gonna put our scallion, the green part, and give it a good mix. Wow, this is good. And then we're gonna put a little of chili flakes. That's it. And this is ready to be served. Here is the finished product. Mongolian beef with rice. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.